In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use frames on your Miro board. If you've ever wanted your whiteboard to feel more organized and presentation ready, frames are your best friend. They act like clean boundaries around your content, making clusters of notes, diagrams, and images easier to navigate, share, and present. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Miro. Once you're in, head to your workspace and open the board where you want to work. You can use any existing board for this. The process is the same whether you're mapping ideas, building a flowchart, or prepping slides for a meeting. Inside your board, look to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click the Frame tool. When the frame options appear, you'll see several presets, including custom, A4, letter, and 16:9. Pick the size that best matches your goal. For example, 16:9 is a great choice if you'll be presenting on a screen, while A4 or letter fits typical print sizes. Custom is perfect when you want a specific boundary that doesn't match a preset. Once you choose a size, Miro will place a frame on your canvas so your content can sit neatly inside it. You can create as many frames as you need to section your work logically. Think of them as slides for your board. There's also a handy way to frame content you've already arranged. Start by selecting the objects you want to include. You can select sticky notes, shapes, images, anything that belongs together. When your selection is active, a small menu appears above it. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the More Options menu, then choose Create Frame. Miro will generate a frame that fits snugly around your selection, saving you the time of manually sizing a frame. This method is especially useful if you've been brainstorming freely and want to wrap things up into clear sections afterward. As you work, keep a few practical points in mind. Frames make navigation easier, especially on large boards because you can jump between them quickly. They also help maintain consistent layouts when you're collaborating with a team. If you're switching between formats, say from brainstorming to presenting, sticking to one frame size across the board keeps everything visually aligned. And that's it. You've opened Miro, gone to your board, used the frame tool to add the exact size you need, and created a frame from selected content using the 3-dot menu. With these steps, your boards will be cleaner, clearer, and ready to share.